Well, this is quite a... Yep. Stop it, Daddy. Watch it. I'm going to show you. Wait, don't do that. I'm going to show you what she looks like. This is our new little friend, a new family little friend, Precious. Here's Precious, and this is where she is this morning. She's in the back of the couch. She looks awfully cozy. She just stretched her two front paws, and she shut her eyes. Yeah, she's awfully cozy in here. I thought I'd take a look and show you what she looks like in there. We're going to have to try to get her out and coax her out of here, but she's really cozy. Okay. We'll tune in later to see what we got here.